So yesterday we learned about Cody. We learned about the meaning of multiplication earlier this week, so let's go ahead and talk about the meanings of multiplication. What did we do with the meanings of multiplication? We did two types of sentences.
Addition and multiplication.
We did addition and multiplication sentences. Jonathan, if I say 5 times 4, what is the addition sentence?
You write 4 5 times or 5 4 times.
All right, and which property lets you know you can do it either way?
Commutative.
The commutative property. All right, we also had some little drawing things going on. What were those drawings called?
Arrays.
Arrays. We had arrays. From the arrays, we could do multiplication sentences, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, yesterday we talked about the
Property.
patterns. We talked about the patterns for facts, remember? All right, so Ben, if I said a multiple of 2, what does that mean?
Like what goes into 2.
Right, but what happens every time? What's the pattern? Every time there's a multiple of 2, what can I say about that number if it's a multiple of 2?
You could say like.
Remember when we did the moving around the classroom? You went this way, or this way. Why did you move? So if I say 12, what is the pattern for the multiple of 2? You may call it a friend.
3 times 4.
I said pattern. What is the pattern? You may call on someone. Bryson.
It's always, the pattern for 2 is it's always going to be even.
The pattern for 2 is all multiples of 2 are always even. Daniel, give me a multiple of 2.
6.
6 is more.
24.
Huh?
This is 60.
60?
Yes.
60 is 1. Matthew, give me another multiple of 2.
2 times 2.
A multiple, you give me factors. Multiple of 2. What is 2 times 2?
That's easy. That's
4. 4 is a multiple of 2.
Yeah, 4.
Jonathan, help me out.
2.
2 is a multiple of 2. Abigail, give me a different one.
100.
100. I like that you said 100. 100 reminds me of the multiples of 5 pattern. Do you remember the multiples of 5 pattern?
Yes.
Can you help me?
It's either it's not, it's usually an odd number, but it's either 0 or 5.
It is either 0 or 5, but if it ends in 0, it's even, okay? So, multiples of 5, the numbers end in 0 or 5. Miss Evelyn, give me a multiple of 5. 25. Noah, multiple of 5.
35.
35. Miss Condoleezza, I know you can help me.
45.
45. Are you guys going to just keep going up? Ben?
45.
I mean, Bill, sorry. Multiple
Oh, wait,
of 5.
never mind.
Does it end in a 2? I mean, does it end in a 0 or a 5?
I messed up. 20.
20. Raya, let me hear from you, Raya. 60. All right. We had another pattern.
9.
Jalen, I haven't heard from you. 9. What happens when multiples of 9? You
The
remember?
answer always has to add 9.
The sum. When you add the digits of the
0 or
sum,
5.
it either right or left. When you get the when the sum of the product, when you add those together, and you should get 9. So, Ben, give me an example.
9 times 1.
9 times 1 is what?
9.
Let's try another one where you can add the sum. Abigail. Rhea, no.
900.
900. And what would you add to make sure?
You could add 300.
No. Remember, you're adding the digits of your product. So your product is 900, so you're adding.
9 plus 0 plus 0.
And that equals
9.
good job. So
It's also 5s and then the 2s.
it also is 5s. Why is it 5s?
Because it ends in a 0.
Because it ends in a 0. And why is it also a multiple of 2?
Because it's even.
Good job. Thank you, Vincent. Thank you. All right, Taylor. 9,000. That's good. That's kind of like hers. Give me another one.
81.
81. How do you know 81 is a multiple?
You add 8 plus 1.
You add 8 plus 1. All right, I remember yesterday when we were doing our arrangements, we kind of had, our array independent practice, we kind of had some issues with that. A lot of people kind of missed that first one. A lot of people didn't understand that if it was 3 groups of 10, okay, so let's do something. I'm going to count you off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All of you guys come to me. Do not run, just come to me. Hey, the rest of you guys tune in. Listen, you guys have a test, so you have to listen. Abigail, get away from the camera, come over here. Noah, if you're not looking at me, you're not listening to your test. I have 12 of you guys up here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We learned yesterday that 12 has many factors, right?
Yes.
But guess what I need you guys to do?
Yes.
Build me a human array. Not on each other's back, just stand up and make a human array.
Wait, what's the multiplication?
You guys need to come up with it.
Wait, count how many there are.
It's 12 of you guys.
6 and 6.
Hey, talk quietly.
6 and 2. I'll be the small one. That's right here. I'm right here. So mine's right here.
I'll be right here, but Bill.
I'm going to give you guys magnet down.
You'll be right here.
Matthew, magnet down.
Cody, right here. Talking to me.
All right, Matthew.
You gotta go back, Abigail.
All right, I'm going to give you guys 5.
2 groups of 3 around.
Figure it out. 5,
Abigail, right here.
4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I see the 12 of you guys lined up. I see that there are 2 rows, right?
Yeah.
Are there 6 people in each row?
Yes.
Okay, is that the same thing as scoop, 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 scoop? Is that the same thing?
Yes.
Is there still 12 people there?
Yes.
Are there still 2 groups of people?
Yes.
Is this an array?
Yes.
Yes. All right, can you guys make yourself into another array? We have other factors.
3 times 2.
3 times 4. 3 times 4. Here. Guys,
I wanted the third.
Okay. No.
Back up some, you guys.
Get
3 groups of 4.
in a group.
All right, I'm going to give you guys 5.
People.
Don't yell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. What do I see? I see 3 groups. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 12 people?
Yes. Yes.
There's 3 groups.
Yes. Yes.
4 people in each
Yes.
row. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, you guys go sit down for me. No, go sit down for me.
Can we go?
All my other people who didn't come on, come on. Hey, come up here the correct way. Matthew, no hoods inside of the classroom. Right, you guys know this.
No.
How many people do we have? 2, 4, 6. Miss Evelyn, come back because you've been on test.
Yeah. How do we have a whole class do
No, not right now. All right. You guys, there are 2, 4, 6, 8 of you guys. Make an array.
2 groups of 4. 2 groups of 4. What about 2 groups of 4? 2.
And you guys can scoot back some.
2 right here.
No,
2.
No, 2 groups right here. Me and Jonathan, and y'all get behind us. Y'all get done.
All right. I am checking your array. You can. Can you? All right. So this is what you need to do. Is this what you're doing first?
Yes.
All right. So I see. Tune in. You guys are about to magnet down. You're not tuning in. Tune in. I see that there's 8 people, right? I have two groups of 4. Matthew, magna down. I see two groups of 4, right? If there are two groups of 4, there are two groups, 4 people. Are 2 and 4 factors of 8?
Yes.
Yes. All right. What is something else you can do? How else can you
4
arrange
groups of
yourself?
2.
Let me see that arrangement real quick.
Okay.
Be careful down, you don't hurt yourself.
Okay.
2.
We were just 4 groups of. Oh, no.
Oh, I need you guys. 5, 4, 3, 2.
You can do 4 groups.
All right. Are you guys trying to be 4 groups of 2?
Yes.
Well, this looks like one big group to me, so you guys kind of have. Here we go. All right. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many people are in each group? 2. 4 times 2 is
8.
4 and 2 are what's of 8?
Factors.
Factors, and 8 is a what of 2?
Product.
Multiple. Thank you. Good job. All right. Back to our